step to the left and the step to the right. Sometimes they're called gaze to the right, step to the left, look to the left, step to the right. And I believe that the core technique analysis of the Tai Chi Code helped to explain why that detail is in there. These steps, rather than advancing on a straight line, like the advancing step, generally step out at a 45-degree angle. So if my foot on the left side is facing straight forward, my right foot steps out on a 45-degree angled line. I would use this sort of step in a movement like Fair Lady works the shuttle. This is a step to the right. Or I could do it and step to the left and do Fair Lady works the shuttle in this way. So this is a step to the right or a step to the left. So how do we sequence the core techniques to produce a step to the left or a step to the right? What we'll see is actually we use similar techniques to the advancing step, but the sequencing is different. When I'm going to step out to the right to do Fair Lady works the shuttle, what I'm going to do is begin with my foot facing straight forward, and I'm going to shift my weight to that foot using elbow strike. Elbow strike meaning flexion of the hip. I'm going to flex my right hip, and I'm going to turn my upper torso and my lower torso away from the flexing hip. That's elbow strike. So I am turning both the upper torso and lower torso away from the flexing right hip, and then I am going to change my body position of the upper torso from turning counterclockwise to turning clockwise. It also automatically moves my hands into a different position. So I'm going from elbow strike to split. And then, in order to step out on an angle, I am now going to go back to elbow strike. In split, I have reached an equilibrium position where I keep turning my upper torso to the right and lower torso to the left. There's no more action that can happen with this rotation. I've reached an equilibrium position. However, now when I turn my upper torso back to the left, it releases my right foot, causing a step out on an angle. I'm now back to elbow strike. My right hip is flexing, my upper torso is turning to the left, and my lower torso is turning to the left, rooting my left leg. So, the transition to the look to the left, step to the right step uses elbow strike, where since my upper torso is turning to the left, you could say I am looking to the left. Then I transition by turning my upper torso to the right. So now I'm positioned to step to the right. And then I release my right leg by turning the upper torso back to the left. So there's a 3-movement sequence: elbow strike, split, elbow strike. And then I transition to Fair Lady works the shuttle, which we'll explain later, which is a combination of 2 more different Tai Chi energies. If I want to do a step to the left, I use the same sequence on the opposite side. Elbow strike with the left hip flexing, followed by split with the left hip flexing, followed by elbow strike with the left hip flexing, and then I execute Fair Lady works the shuttle.